What if you've got a room that really struggles, you know, like a bedroom or a dining room?
Yeah, so that's quite simple. You could put a single room heat recovery ventilator to save all your energy. Imagine turning up to a job with everything you need to do the job. Fans, hygrometers, mould control packs, paint. That's this giveaway. Free entry, trades only. Today we're going to talk about the single room heat recovery ventilator. And let's just suppose you have all the extractors in your kitchen and bathrooms, all automatic, but there is just one stubborn room in your house. This may be a cooler area somewhere in the house, but needs maybe some ventilation or needs an air change. This provides the perfect air change and provides you with about 86 to 90% of your heating back. So this is perfect for something just making a room more habitable. Continues to monitor the humidity. Great for bedrooms, great for lounges, great for many different rooms, even bathrooms at times. Now, what these do is when it's taking that bad air out, it will pass all that bad air through the heat exchanger inside the machine. When it pumps the bad air out of the machine, it gets rid of that bad air out through the center of the cowl and brings fresh air back in through the filter, through the heat exchanger to give you the 86% of the heating back. So this gives you a total air change without having to open a window. So you can basically offset the costs of not opening the window, and the running cost of this, you can delete that. You get that back and more. This is the only machine on the market that can monitor the humidity from 20 to 90% humidity and producing 86% of your heating back. Also, this fan is the perfect fan for your bedroom to create a perfect environment, giving you fresh filtered air in and out of the room with a night sensor that's built in. So when the room is dark, the fan will stay on a quiet mode and not go on to its fast mode. It will go on to the fast mode in the morning once you open the curtains and make the room light enough to detect the light. So this is also good for tenanted properties because this works automatically, monitoring the airflow without us having to put fans on or manually operate them. It also comes with tamper-proof screws, so this unit cannot be opened up and tampered with. So it's great for if you are a landlord and you have tenants and you would rather people don't gain access to these machines. This is great for you, and this can go into the bedrooms and keeping them bedrooms free of mould and condensation, always monitoring the air. It does not have to be fitted from outside, it can all be fitted from inside, so no access to the outside is required. Imagine turning up to a job with everything you need to do the job. Fans, hygrometers, mould control packs, paint. That's this giveaway. Free entry, trades only.
Check out our blog post, which has 5 ventilation solutions, and the link is in the description. So what you're saying is that there is no one size fits all unit. It depends on the air quality and the property layout.
That's correct. And also monitoring your humidity. So we have what they call these hygrometers. So we can monitor the humidity around the home to see where it's escaping to. Also choosing the right extractor. So the right extractor, maybe this could be combined with supply as well. So whether it's supply or extract, and getting this automatic, we can deal with the problems at the source of where we create the problems.
Thank you. We really appreciate that, but I'm sure you might have more questions, like I know I always do. So please, can you write in the comments if you want to get in touch or you have any queries, or they can give you a call?
Yeah, absolutely. We've got online technical support and lots of people that can help. So whether it's to do with installation or choosing the right product, we're here to help. Imagine turning up to a job with everything you need to do the job. Fans, hygrometers, mould control packs, paint. That's this giveaway. Free entry, trades only.